this plot 35, and this the aftermath of my garden neighbor. The grass that is still green, that's winter resistant grass. This is mint grow all season, so the mint is still thriving, but the vegetables are all gone. So this my other neighbor. Her rosemaries are dying. Her tomato trees or plants have already died. Yeah, these are some winter vegetables that my other neighbor has here in these black containers. I don't know if they are some sort of cabbage or what. Yeah, these are peas, very peas, sort of peas that they are all dried up now. But before they dried up, you see it was still flowering. You see the flowers to make some peas, but it's too late now. My other neighbors, the other neighbor, her chili pepper, I think she will come and pick them. Because they are all dried, the leaves are all dried. I don't know if this cayenne pepper. So I hope she'll come and pick her cayenne pepper. Excuse me. These are eggplants. There are a few more eggplant here. I hope she'll come and harvest them. But all her vegetables are all dead. These are vegetables here, but this is just wheat. So the garden is desolate.